Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 11 to you. For week 11, you're going to want to study pages 95 to 100 in your text. At the end of this week, you should be able to distinguish between the verbs ser and estar and know in which situations to use each one. You should know what the irregular verbs ir and hacer mean and how to use them correctly in the present tense. And this week's assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 5. All of this week's assignments are due on the 25th of October. You're going to want to start off the week like you do always with watching your instructor-made videos that go over ir and hacer and ser and estar. And then when you're done looking at the videos, you'll go back and click on the class participation form in which you have to post. Okay, so click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about the material covered in the videos or covered in class. If you have no questions, then just say that you have no questions. Okay. Okay, you also have a reading comprehension quiz. So you'll open this up. It's basically going to test your, how well you understand what you've been reading. And so you're just going to read the two passages below. And then when you're ready, you're going to hit start attempt now. And then there's the passages again. You can read them again. And then you're going to answer the various questions below. And then some of them are true, false. Okay, so remember, these have to be manually graded. So don't go by the score that you get after, like when Moodle grades you. I will be going back in and actually looking at them and adjusting points after everyone has taken the quiz. You also have my language labs. So you'll go out into my language labs and you'll complete these SAM activities and extra practice activities. So you'll go out here, click on the course calendar. And remember, if you can't get things to open up in my language labs, it could be you have too many things open in your browser, so you'll need to clear out your downloads, your history, and then maybe restart your computer and try again or use a different browser. It doesn't like it when you have too many cookies. So you would open up each one of these assignments, complete them, and you can do them as many times as you would like before, I'm on the wrong one actually. You can do them, here we are, as many times as you would like before the due date, but if you're doing it more than 3 times, then you want to reach out to me. Okay. What else do you have? This is the 11th. So you've done, okay, you also have writing assignment 1. This is your final draft. You should see a copy of the workshop here. We have, by this point, we have already, you wrote a draft, someone has already critiqued it, and you should be able to click on the workshop and actually see your critiqued version of your writing. I would suggest not completing this until you have that available to you, because I always go through and make suggestions. And so if you don't make the suggestions that I gave to you, then more than likely you're not going to get the score that you're not going to get the best score that you could possibly get. Okay. You're also going to have another workshop that's in a because I'm doing this in advance. That's a few weeks up. Here you've got your oral dialogue. You are seeing people's scripts and you are going through and critiquing their scripts. And then next week and the 29th, you'll actually do the recording. And that's everything you've got to do for week 11.